Look, it's Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Turtle Lair with Leonardo and bad guys. Now this is a Lego set that you can build and then play with. I can't wait to open it up. Here's the box. Let's see all the things that are inside of it. Wow. This has got the number 2 on it. And this has the number 1. I bet we use number 1 first. Oh, you know what's inside there? That's Leo's head. We've got to put Leonardo together, don't we? So the first thing we're going to do is open up a bag that has the number 1 on it. And look at all these parts. Wow. Let's go ahead and put Leonardo together right away. So there's his head. Now we just got to put his body on, and we're ready to go. Aren't we? Alright, so there's the evil ninja, and here's Leonardo. You know what Leonardo needs, don't you? That's right. He needs his sword. Oh, doesn't Leonardo look ready to fight now? That's right. He's got his sword in his hand, and he's ready to go. But now, we've got to assemble the rest of the Turtle Lair. Leo's on his skateboard and ready to roll. Like, really, it actually does roll. Oh no, it's a ninja plane. He's ready to go. And watch, the ninja plane spins here in the back. Whoa. Be careful, Leonardo. He can get you now. We need to build the rest of Leonardo's Turtle Lair so he can fight this ninja. Look, Leonardo, it's almost finished. Whoa, I think right in the nick of time, too. Alright, Leonardo, look at this super cool car. It's got an extra sword on the side. It's got 4 tailpipes that probably shoot out fire. It's got that rear-mounted engine. Wow, this is pretty fun. And what you need to do now is you need to get inside so that you are ready to fight those bad guys. So what do you think? Which one do you like better? Do you like this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle sword car or this little airplane for the ninja? But guess what? We've got a whole nother bag left to put together. Wow. So here's step 2. Open it up. Wow, look at all these pieces we've got to put together. Wow. I think it's going to be a lot of fun though. What do you think? Let's get started. Now we got to put the computer screen in. Just like this, and that goes back here in this corner. So it sits just like that. Huh. Wow, this turtle layer is looking really cool, isn't it? Ooh, a few more pieces to put on. It's looking good, isn't it? We're almost there. Our turtle layer is all complete. And do you know what this is? Well, the bad guy ninja flies in. You can fire manhole covers at him. Well, that wasn't a very good job, was it? Let's try it one more time. Fire! Fire! Whoa, we almost hit Leonardo. Oh, the ninja's getting away. That one almost got him. There are lots of fun things you can do with this Lego set. Like you can pretend that one day Leonardo is just out skateboarding when the ninja bad guy flies in on his super sneaky jet. Uh-oh. I think he's going to try to get the lair from the turtles. He's armed with a throwing star. Oh no, he's breaking in. What's going to happen with him inside the turtle lair? Wait a minute, here's Leonardo. He got back just in time. Uh-oh. The ninja's going to throw a star. But wait a minute, he didn't have a chance. Leonardo was able to knock it out of his hands with his swords. Good job, Leonardo. Way to save the turtle lair. The chase is on. The ninja's trying to get away. He made it back to his hovercraft. But here's the turtle car. It's there to help Leonardo. Wow, this is going to be close, isn't it? Who do you think's going to win? Well, hey everyone, we really hope that you like this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Turtle Lair that comes with Leonardo and one bad guy and the super cool turtle swordmobile, right? So this is a lot of fun, and you can see it wasn't that hard to put together. But it still took a little bit of time, so it's still lots of fun. Now, if you like this video, up here it says subscribe here. And what we want you to do is subscribe to the Engineering Family so that you can see lots of cool videos like this one. Hey, and if you like this video, down below there's a little thumbs up. It looks like that. So give us a like saying that you like it. And finally, we've got a secret password. It's just TMNT, meaning Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. But just type in TMNT, okay? Alright everyone, you have a great day. Bye!
Now take a look at one of these cool videos that feature surprise eggs, Scooby-Doo, Paw Patrol, and even Jack Frost and Elsa going to jail. Have a great day. Bye everyone!